Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with a very long overdue hair review. I'm rocking this wig. It's like a bob wig from a company called Wigs by. It came in this box right here. I've literally had this wig, you guys, for at least 4 or 5 months. I just could not get around to doing a review. But since I'm now making a new concerted effort to be a little bit more consistent on my channel, I figured I would just get this out to you guys. So like I said, it comes from Wigs by. They sell really affordable wigs. It's not a full lace wig. As far as the construction is concerned, it does have the wefting in the back, and it's kind of like a lace frontal wig. One of the most obvious cons about this wig is that there is not a lot of parting space. Like you can see right here, like literally I have this much parting space from here to here. It's got to be like an inch. It's a lace frontal wig, so you basically have the lace, you know, all the way from ear to ear. However, the parting space is very little parting space, which is very annoying. And as far as the parting itself, even though it came pre-parted, like this is the way the wig was meant to be worn, this is the way it was cut, like it was very dense in the parting area, so I had to pluck a lot to try to like make it look semi-natural. I don't know how well I did. It still looks a little funny to me, but nonetheless, this is what it is. It's an interesting color. I do like it. The hair is really soft. It's tangle free, haven't had any matting or anything like that happen with it. I guess I'm just trying to get used to this color. It's a different color for me. Oddly enough though, it's a color that I tried to achieve some months ago when I dyed that really long black hair that I had, and I told you guys I dyed it and like it was supposed to become like this ash blonde type color, and then it just kind of like lifted to like a 2B or something like that. It was like brown. This was the color I was trying to achieve. I don't know why I felt like I could pull that color off, but here it is. So yeah, like really cute wig. I do like it. As far as the cap construction, it's good. It fits nicely. Pretty decent construction. I just really wish that there was more parting space with the closure. That would have been really nice, and I feel like I could make it look a lot better if in fact I had some parting space. As far as the packaging, you guys, it came in this box right here, and inside of the box they did give some goodies. Let's see what they got. So it came with a black wig cap. It probably would have made sense for them to include a nude wig cap, but it came with that, and it also came with Bonnie series rhinestone comb, easy to carry. I don't see rhinestones on it, but okay. So it came with this comb right here as well. I guess it's a wig comb. Cool. It also came with another black wig cap, as well as a pamphlet which tells you how to put on the wig, how to adjust the wig, how to make it work, all that good stuff. And then it also came with 5 wig clips. So I guess if I want to install these, I can do so. So the packaging was nice. Like I said, yeah, you guys, if you are interested in getting a wig like this or a similar wig, which is affordable, hopefully you get one with more parting space than this one, definitely check out the links below. Again, it's wigsby.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
Nobody because me have me money. Can't tell me how to spend it, cause I feel me money. Independent gal, real